So with the vibes now picking up, with just over a week to go before the start of the greatest show on earth, especially since the announcement of some of the squads. Unfortunately, we're also seeing some high-profile injuries with N'Golo Kante, Paul Pogba, and now Sadio Mane all out of the World Cup. And it's because at the time of the year, the World Cup is being played and blah, blah, blah. But here another perspective though. This is the first World Cup that is being played at this time of the year. It is also the first World Cup where the players will not be playing after a long, exhausting domestic season, and thus should be basically fresh. After only 12 or 13 games, instead of having 40 and 50 games under them belt at the end of a bump and bruise season. So the players should be less jaded, with less miles on their clocks this season. So despite people saying this and saying that, except for the players who are injured and will miss the tournament completely, we do expect the other players to be fresher and sharper, and we expect some elite level performances from the top superstars, like Lionel Messi, right?